In 1947, India raised its flag to claim freedom. In 2025, we raise our networks to claim the future. Back then, freedom meant breaking chains. Today, it means breaking limits in education, healthcare, and opportunity. Independence was our beginning. Innovation is our next leap. From smart farming that saves water for millions of farmers, to connected healthcare bringing remote diagnostics to the smallest villages, to urban traffic systems that adapt in real time, IoT is powering a stronger, smarter India. By 2030, India's IoT market will reach $15 billion, and every rupee spent will be a step towards self-reliance. Imagine the saffron, white, and green of our flag transforming into glowing streams of data, connecting every citizen, every dream. This Independence Day, let's innovate for freedom and build a truly connected India.